Okay, so go ahead and take one out. Which one you think is gonna measure up from the nair
Should I measure it here
to the
first,
earlobe? No, take it out. It's fine. Yeah.
If you think you're gonna throw up, don't be afraid to
Don't
say it.
throw up. Okay.
Because it might make you gag.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Just gonna grab it. Well, I haven't really eaten much lately, so I think I should be fine.
Well, you know, it's
All I drank was a
You
chocolate
didn't
protein
give him the
shake.
greatest
So.
All right, so let's go ahead and measure it from the nair to the earlobe. See if it measures up. That looks perfect.
looks pretty good.
Yeah, he was made for that one.
Oh, yeah.
So now you're gonna go ahead and put that jelly on there.
On here?
The whole thing, yeah. Rub it on there.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Just lube it up, like, you know.
You've done this before, haven't you?
I've never done this before.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's his first time too. It's cool.
Yeah. You're my first time, Rory.
Be gentle with him. Did you ask for consent?
Do I have your consent?
What? Just do it. All right. Okay. So.
Well, I have all this jello.